Good morning everyone and welcome to another working week in Valencia. It's Monday, so we're starting the week with a good mood. Let's see how it ends. I'm not doing anything because we don't have to do anything today. Time to prepare lunch for tomorrow. This is what I do every day when I come from work. It's not very exciting and fun, but at least in the past week actually I tried to cook 2 or 3 times so that I can cover all days and not every day, because that's really stupid. But now I'm gonna make some salad and add tuna, and that's it for tomorrow. This is the dinner for today. Girls' dinner. Good morning and happy Thursday. I'm actually super happy that it's almost the end of the week. After a month of working every day, all day, I don't think this is going to work. Maybe I have to change the profession or just to figure out some other type of working. But luckily next week I'm not working on Monday and Tuesday because it's a holiday here. So that will be amazing. And then for the weekend I decided to go to Barcelona and visit some other beaches around, maybe on Costa Brava or something. So I'm gonna take you there as well. Since I started vlog on Monday, these past 2 days I've been mostly working as well on my laptop and finishing some things because we have some deadlines this Friday. So basically it wasn't anything fun, let's say, to show. I mean, I can't show you the projects, of course, that are ongoing. I mean, all the girls that are interns are doing the same. So sometimes it can get a bit boring, but then when we start a new project or we go for a few days in the workshop, it gets fun again. I guess that's how work life works. I'm dressed up because tonight we're having the work dinner. So I didn't want to like take something else and then change at work. We're going to some place that is near the beach, but it's because one of the interns is leaving, so we just want to celebrate. I mean, to spend more time together and just get to know each other. This office, like, people are super cute and everyone is super nice, so I'm really happy that this is the surroundings. So even when it gets full of work and stressful, I don't feel any kind of pressure that someone is annoying or something, so that's good. Let's go now because I don't want to be late. Barcelona day 1 outfit of the day is this. I washed my hair, so I didn't have time to dry it, but anyways, like in 10 minutes probably outside it will be dry. It's super hot. Now we're going to visit some vintage market and then later to visit some old hospital. I'm not quite sure what is it, but the building seems very cool, so I'm gonna take you with me. Another day in Barcelona, and today's Festival de Gracia, which is basically when they pick this neighborhood of Gracia and put some colorful decorations, and it lasts for a couple of days here. So it's my first time to see this and I'm very excited, so I hope you will like it. Let's go!
Que diga que está la fiesta solo para embarazadas. ¿Tenéis una copia?
Welcome to Tossa de Mar! After exploring Tossa for a bit, I think it's time for the beach because it's way too hot now. It's my third time now in Tossa de Mar. I was the last time, I think maybe 4 years ago or something like that. Hope you liked it though. So if you are ever visiting Costa Brava, I think this is one of the places that you shouldn't miss. Back to Barcelona and soon to Valencia as well. It was so nice today in Tossa de Mar, and I'm actually super happy that we had 2 days off with weekends, so it was kind of a 4-day vacation for me. I mean, it was just a holiday in Spain, so our office didn't work, and that's amazing because I don't know, I mean, I like working, but I'm really not used to working all day every day. So every weekend I feel super tired, and then I still want to explore and see other things. But yeah, in the next vlog, see you around Valencia more, and thank you so much for following me in this vlog. I hope you enjoyed Valencia and Barcelona and these kind of trips around. I'm sending you kisses from Spain, and see you soon in my next vlog. Good night.